In this video, we'll guide you through the process of temporarily pausing your Shopify store. Whether you're taking a break, conducting maintenance, or reorganizing your inventory, pausing your store can be a useful option. So, let's get started. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Within the Settings section, click on Plan. Here, you'll find the option to deactivate your trial or plan. Click on it, and a pop-up menu will appear, prompting you to choose a reason. Select Other Reason and describe the reason you want to take a break. Click Continue, then, Confirm by clicking the Deactivate Store button. When you're ready to resume your journey, simply click on Reopen your store. There you have it. You've successfully paused your Shopify store. Your storefront will now be temporarily unavailable to customers, but don't worry, your store data and settings remain intact. Thanks for watching.